Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi, so I'm at home today and today I'm going to teach you some general words that you can use in a general conversation.
Okay, so Bier, if I want to say thank you to someone, how would I say that?
You would say ขอบคุณ and then add it with, if you're a male, ครับ and if you're a female, ค่ะ so ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, okay, and that's in just all general conversations,
Just
correct?
in general, yeah.
Okay, and what about if someone asks me, like, if I want some food? How do I say yes? Like, if they ask me if I want something?
If you're offering something, you'd reply with เอา so เอาครับ or เอาค่ะ so เอา that's like yes, I'll have that.
So we use that when that's for something that someone's actually trying to give you?
Absolutely, when you're offering me something, so yeah.
Okay, so that's how I say I want that, and how would I say no thank you? Like, no, I don't want, no.
ไม่เอา
ไม่
ไม่
เอา
เอาครับ ไม่เอาค่ะ ไม่
Okay,
เอา
and then, so that's when someone wants to offer you something, so they're trying to give you some food or a drink, etc. What about if they're asking, I don't know, do you like the sunshine?
Do you like the sunshine?
So how would I say no, I don't like, just no?
ไม่ครับ ไม่ค่ะ so just ไม่
So there's no word ow in that then?
Nope,
just
ไม่
may.
yeah.
And then you follow that with cab and car.
yeah.
Okay, and then if I do like it, if I want to say yes?
ใช่ so
Okay.
ใช่ means yes, so ใช่ครับ ใช่ค่ะ
Okay, so good answer is, can you hear the car across the road?
ไม่ค่ะ
Okay, and sometimes you want to say, oh, like, I'm sorry, like, excuse me. How would I say that?
ขอโทษ and then ครับ or ค่ะ so ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษค่ะ
Tort.
ขอโทษ yeah.
Okay, all right, that's easy to remember. And what about if it doesn't matter? So someone says, do you know what, I'm really worried about this. I say, oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter.
ไม่เป็นไร ไม่เป็นไรครับ ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ
Okay, all right, so then let's recap over that then. So thank you.
ขอบคุณ and then ครับ or ค่ะ
Okay, and then if someone's trying to give me something and I would like it, I'm going to say
ไม่เอา ไม่เอาครับ ไม่เอาค่ะ
okay, and if I want it.
if you want it เอาครับ เอาค่ะ
All right, so if I want to ask you just a normal question and I say, are you from England?
ใช่ใช่ค่ะ ใช่ครับ
Then that means yes. And if you're not from England?
ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่ครับ ไม่ใช่
Okay.
ค่ะ
All right, brilliant. If I want to say excuse me, I'm sorry, excuse me.
ขอโทษ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษค่ะ
And if I want to say to you, oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter.
ไม่เป็นไรครับ ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ Alright, so that's your 2 minutes Thai for today. If you have any other words that you would like me to help you with, please comment them below and I'll help you out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next lesson.